Bakr, I have to put these numbers in order starting with the smallest one. And as you see here, these numbers are negative numbers. Don't write on the screen, Abu Bakr, please. So here, um, these numbers are negative numbers, okay? And as we know, when we're dealing with the negative numbers, the greatest number is the smallest. We get the opposite here. We can switch. If we take negative 7, it is smaller than negative 1. Why? Because we deal with negative numbers. Because if we draw the number line, okay, and this number line, we have here 0. 0 is dividing this number line. And the numbers at the right of this number line is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. And the numbers that lies to the left of the number line are negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4, and so on, okay? So when the numbers far away from 0, it will be smaller, okay? So when we moving to the left by this way, negative 4 here, it's farther than negative 1. So negative 4 is smaller than negative 1 or less than negative 1. Why? Because when we close to the 0, the numbers becomes greater and greater. Why? Because the numbers increasing in the right direction. When we moving to the right, the numbers get larger and larger. As you see here, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the numbers is increasing in the right direction when we moving from the left to the right. Okay? So when
Okay.
the number is getting far away from the 0, it will be smaller and smaller. Okay? So here I want to put these numbers from smallest to greatest. So we can start with number what? The smallest one here
Uh,
is what?
Six.
Negative 7 as the first.
Ne- negative negative 7
Yes.
and negative 6.
Excellent. So cancel.
Negative
Negative.
negative 5.
Very good.
Negative 2.
Yes, excellent.
Negative 1.
Yes, very good. So here we order them from the smallest to greatest. So when we dealing with the negative numbers, the greatest number is the smallest one because it's so far from 0. Okay, in question number 2, the table shows the minimum temperature on 4 days. Okay,
Okay.
letter A, which temperature is colder than negative 2? Colder than negative 2. Colder than negative 2 means that I want to search for a temperature that is less than negative 2.
Less than.
Negative 2, yes. You can use number line and order the numbers here. So
Uh,
here, hmm, this we can consider this one is a 0. Here 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. We deal with these 4 numbers. We have to complete this number line. We can extend it in the next direction to write number 3. So this is 0. As the right of 0 is 1, 2, and 3. We can mark the 4 numbers that exist here in this problem. We have here -4 and -2, -1 and 3. And mark 0. This is 0. Okay. So here,
Okay.
which temperature is colder than -2? Colder than -2. It means that less than -2. The numbers becomes smaller when we moving to the left. The numbers decrease when we moving to the left direction. So which
For
number is
-4.
yes, very good. So -4, because -4 is far away from the 0, farther than -2. Look at this, -2 is closer to 0, but -4 is farther than -2 from the 0. So -2 is greater because it's close to the 0 than -4. For question letter B, write the temperatures in order, starting with the coldest temperature. Coldest temperature means that we have to start with the smallest temperature. And they already ordering here on this number line. So we can start from what? They already ordered on the number line that we already draw.
Okay.
So we will start from what? If I want to write the smallest temperature is
Is 0.
no. We can choose from these degrees, this temperature that's have already here on this number line. So the smallest one is what? -4 or -2 or -1 or 3. The smallest temperature.
-1. Smallest?
No, yes, smallest. Which one is the smallest?
That's -4.
Yes, -4. And then?
-3.
Very good.
-2. -1.
And 3. But we already don't have -3 here. So we can write -4, -2, -1, and 3. We order these numbers from the least to the greatest, okay? Then,
Okay.
question number 3.